Hey, welcome back to Dad's Garage. That's my son's new Corolla. Check out that color. It's called Underground. Pretty slick looking car. But anyway, we're going to do a Tundra video today. That's why I brought my old Tundra t-shirt out for the first time in quite a while. Anyway, we're going to do a video on the Tundra today. We have got some new fog lights. So I'm sure some of you saw the headlight video that we did a while back. That really brightened up and made the light white instead of yellow. Well, now the wife is complaining that the fog lamps are yellow because now it makes those look really yellow with the bright white light from the headlights. So we went and picked up some new fog lamps and they are right over here. Got them, gonna get these things installed, and we will show you the installation process. Okay, there you go. You can see how yellow that is. Well, we're gonna change that real fast. All right, so you're gonna need you some trim tools because we are gonna be working to pop this cup out. So coming from the bottom seems to be the easiest way to start. Well, then this thing just kind of falls out. So, all right, so then, this is something I can't really get it on camera for you, but there's a little clip in here that you just have to push in to pop it loose so you can get the wires out. Okay, so inside here you'll see right where my flashlight is lighting it up, that little plastic clip. That has to be pushed back. So if you push that out of the hole, it'll allow the wiring to come out so that this will come out further so you can get to the bulb to get it out. All right, I just knocked it out. Basically, I took a long screwdriver and I just hit it with my hand and knocked it back through. So now, you see, now you got plenty of wire here to work with. And there's that clip that was pushed through that hole. All right, so we're gonna take this off. These wires are pretty small, so I'd be pretty careful with them. If you pinch this down right here, that will release that. So there, that's out of the way. Now you can turn this and your bulb will come out. Don't touch these because the oils from your hands will mess them up. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get me some gloves on because you just don't want to touch that glass because they get so hot that the oils from your skin will ruin them. Oh, look at that, very nice, well packed. So significantly larger physically than the original ones. I do keep my original ones. I put them in these packages because you never know when you want to go back or you get one that burns out and maybe you don't have the money to do it or whatever. Now these only go in one direction, so you just have to find where they fit. There we go. So that one's in. So all we got to do this, and then we've got to reach back in here again to push this little clip through. So get that clip back in, and then all you got to do, slide these back in. And pop them in place. Woo! Look how bright white that is compared to the yellow. All right, I don't know how much you can see with the bright sunlight, but I can tell you massive difference from yellow to white. Turn the headlights on real quick too. These headlights are fixing to be redone tomorrow, but you can see how the white light all matches the other three now. So looks way cleaner, it's way brighter when you drive. And now all I got to do is the other side. So that's it. Takes about 10 minutes per side max. So within 20 minutes you can get this look. So anyway, that's it for this one. Catch you next time right here on Dad's Garage.